Hey sailors, and welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today is Embarkation Day. So for those of you who don't know what Embarkation Day is on a cruise ship, it's the day where the old passengers get off and the new ones get on. And it is a very, very busy day for every department on board. So I am in the shops department. I work in the shops on board Virgin Voyages, and today we have a stock delivery. So I thought I would bring you along. So it's currently 8:30 in the morning, which actually I've worked on ships for a long time, and this is actually pretty late for a delivery. Like normally you have to be up at like 6, half 6. So the fact that it's half 8 and you know I don't have to be ready until 9 o'clock is actually quite a luxury. But yeah, so at 9 o'clock I should get a text from my manager or whoever is on the quayside to say that delivery or our stock is here, and then the rest of the shoppies will make their way to the loading dock where it's going to be loaded onto the ship, and then we're going to bring it on board and process it all and put it all in our shops. So I'm just going to finish getting ready and then I'm going to head to delivery, and you are going to come with me.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall.
I want my hair completely out my face because a lot of heavy lifting going on, a lot of boxes. The last thing I want to be doing is having to move it out of the way. So I have just received a message from my manager to say that delivery, or our delivery, has just come on board. So now I'm going to go and we're going to get everything processed. Time to start the day. Yada 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 yada. We're warming up. Hey!
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you from the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh.
So delivery is finished for today. We actually got it done like really quickly today, which is always amazing. The faster we get it done, the quicker we can leave and have some free time. So I've just come back, had a shower, got changed and put some stuff on my face, and now I'm going to go and have some lunch because I'm absolutely ravenous. I'm in the mess and this is my lunch. So I've got like a salad with pasta and a little bit of camembert and then mango.
We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do.
So I've just got back from the mess, just had that lovely lunch, and then just spoke to like my mum and a few of my friends and my dad, which is always really lovely to speak to them. I usually save all the phone calls that I want to make for Embarkation Day. One, because we're inland, so the signal is a hell of a lot better, and also I just have time to speak. If I try and call people on a sea day, then I just don't have enough time, so it's always a bit rushed, so I like to save that for Embarkation Day. But it is now 2:30, so I have a few hours before I need to go and do drill. So I'm gonna have a nap. I'm really tired. We've been doing the UK sailing, so it's been like back-to-back sea days. So we have Embarkation Day, which, as you're seeing in this video, is quite hectic, and then we do our sea days, which is 10 till 10. So I am tired, so I'm gonna have a nap before drill and just use this day to rest, because that is just as important as doing anything else. I did my laundry the other day, so that doesn't need doing, so maybe I'll watch a film. Maybe it's hinting at me to watch a film. Which I can hook on my trousers, life jacket in this very fashion forward shade of yellow. So in the drill we have to do life jacket demonstrations, just demonstrate how you put a life jacket on. Very straightforward, but needs to be done. So yeah, life jacket, key, name badge, uniform, ready to go. Okay, so I've just got the math pad, which is how we're going to check everyone in for drill. So that is drill finished. So now I am going to go and have some dinner before work.
I think
okay guys, all done. So that was Embarkation Day. That was, to be honest, that was a fairly busy Embarkation Day. So we've had delivery, we had drill, we had work. Work was actually really busy, which is nice because, as we all know, when it is busy it goes faster. You know, there's nothing worse than like watching the clock. So, but it's usually busy on Embark because, you know, people come on board, they want to like suss the ship out. So people aren't spending on Embarkation Day, but they're just looking, they're seeing what they want to buy after they've had dinner. So we have the first sea day of the cruise tomorrow, so I'm going to grab a shower and go to bed. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this insight into what an Embarkation Day is like. Not every Embarkation Day is like this. On here, you know, we do have some Embarkation Days when we have no delivery, no drill, so maybe I'll do like the opposite end of the spectrum Embarkation Day where there's literally nothing to do. But yeah, today was busy. Early morning, getting delivery on. I feel like I feel like in this video, Embarkation Day doesn't look as busy as it felt. But anyway, I mean, it was pretty stress-free. It's just, there's just a lot to do. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press like and subscribe. If you have any video suggestions, anything you want me to do or you want to see, then let me know in the comments down below. Or you can DM me over on Instagram at Cruising as Crew. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.